Welcome to The Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're here today because we are doing a complete room-by-room breakdown of 25 surprising, highly effective household cleaning hacks. Look, if you've ever felt like keeping your house spotless requires, a degree in chemistry and a bottomless wallet, you are going to love this. We are about to completely rethink how we approach our household chores.
To get us started, I want you to consider this question. What do vodka, a piece of bread, and a grapefruit have in common? I know, it sounds like the setup to a really strange joke, right? But I promise you, these three seemingly random items, along with a few others we're going to look at, are about to become your absolute best secret weapons for cleaning your home.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our agenda for today. We'll look at the secret cleaning arsenal, conquering kitchen grime, living area life hacks, and bathroom and plumbing fixes.
The secret cleaning arsenal.
So, the overarching theme you'll notice today is that we are aggressively replacing toxic, expensive chemical cleaners with everyday items. These basic pantry staples, they're going to serve as the absolute foundation for almost every trick we cover. Distilled white vinegar and baking soda are the clear superstars here, but you'll also see things like aluminum foil, uncooked rice, and regular everyday food items stepping up to solve messes you probably thought were completely hopeless.
Moving on to Section 2. Conquering kitchen grime.
We're starting in the notoriously messiest room in the house. Think about cleaning a coffee grinder for a second. The old way, scrubbing it by hand, can literally hurt your fingers, and tossing it in the dishwasher just doesn't work well. Well, here's your brilliant new hack. Just grind up some uncooked white rice. The rice actually physically cleans the blades and absorbs any lingering odors. After you dump that out, grind up a single tablespoon of baking soda and just wipe it clean. It's totally painless and perfectly odor-free.
Now, what about the very thing you use to clean your kitchen? Sponges get incredibly gross incredibly fast, but buying new ones constantly is a massive pain. So if you don't have time for a trip to the store, simply toss your wet sponge into the microwave for a couple of minutes. When it comes out, an incredible 99% of the germs will be totally dead. Talk about a time saver.
Let's tackle those heavy-duty appliances. Got oil splattered all over your stovetop? Well, fight oil with oil. Add a few drops of vegetable oil to a paper towel and wipe down the surface. It leaves it totally grease-free. For ovens, just leave a half cup of ammonia in a bowl overnight. Don't turn the oven on, just let it sit, and then simply wipe away the loosened grime in the morning. And for your grill, right after cooking, turn it off, place some damp towels over the grates, and close the lid. The remaining heat will actually steam clean the surface. This brilliantly illustrates our core philosophy today, which is working smarter, not harder.
Okay, let's clear out what I like to call the after-dinner disaster. If you've got a completely blackened pan, boil a shallow layer of water with a cup of white vinegar right on the stove. Take it off the heat, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and scrub. For a dirty blender, please don't risk your fingers. Just fill it with warm, soapy water, turn it on, and let it literally clean itself. And for those really stubborn stains on your glass bakeware, ditch the sponge completely and scrub it using a ball of aluminum foil covered in a little dish soap.
Now, if you have real silver, not the fake stuff, but real silverware, you can polish it with absolute zero elbow grease. Just follow these steps. Line a large pan with tin foil. Drop your silver in, add hot water, a half cup of salt, and a half cup of baking soda. Then, just walk away for 30 minutes. When you come back and dry them off, you are going to have the most satisfying, incredibly shiny silverware reveal.
And before we leave the kitchen, keep in mind that even your dishwasher needs cleaning. Place a bowl of white vinegar on the top rack and run it on the absolute hottest cycle. Then, spread a little baking soda on the bottom and run a second, shorter hot cycle. This little two-punch method ensures the appliance itself stays completely fresh. Section 3. Living area life hacks. We are starting with the bedroom, and this is where that incredible hook from the beginning comes in. You might think it's impossible to clean a mattress, but you actually can. The source material advises just fill a spray bottle with vodka. Yes, vodka. Spray it lightly across the sleeping surface. As it air dries, the alcohol removes any lingering odors and kills most of the bacteria. It's a real game changer. Next up, let's address the unseen horrors of household dust. For ceiling fans, throw a pillowcase over the individual blade and pull it off. The dust gets trapped right inside the pillowcase instead of raining down all over your furniture. For blinds, dip an old sock in water and white vinegar to easily clean those tight nooks and crannies. Got dusty air vents? Wrap a moist rag over a butter knife to easily swipe between the cracks. And finally, wipe your surfaces down with dryer sheets. The static electricity actually repels future dust.
Let's look down at the floor. If you get a horrendous stain on your carpet, you really don't need to rent an expensive carpet cleaner. Just follow these 3 steps. Spray the spot with a 2-to-1 ratio of water and vinegar. Lay a damp rag directly over the spot. Then, run a hot iron on the steam setting over the rag for about 1 minute. The heat and steam act like absolute magic, pulling the stain right up out of the carpet fibers and directly into the rag.
Now, I know no one likes talking about this next one, but life happens. Getting vomit on the carpet quite literally stinks, but here is an incredibly effective hack for this universally dreaded chore. Mix baking soda with water to create a thick paste. Spread it completely over the mess and just let it sit overnight. The baking soda miraculously neutralizes the moisture and the odor. By morning, you just simply vacuum up the dried paste. Crisis averted. Sometimes everyday objects are the absolute perfect tools for specific living room disasters. If you shatter a glass, press a soft piece of bread over the area. The tiny, dangerous shards stick right into the bread, making it safe and completely hassle-free. Got stubborn pet hair woven into your carpet? Don't break your vacuum over it. Scrape the carpet with a rubber squeegee to instantly lift the hair out. And if your leather furniture is showing scratches, simply rub some shoe polish over the markings to literally turn back time.
Here are 2 more brilliant uses of absorbent materials. If you come into the entryway with shoes soaked from a puddle, stuff them with newspaper and a small bag of uncooked rice. They'll draw the moisture right out. And if you get a grease stain absolutely anywhere, on your walls or even your clothes, rub ordinary chalk over the stain. Wait a few minutes, wipe the chalk away with a moist towel, and the grease is completely gone. Section 4. Bathroom and plumbing fixes.
So, if your shower head is spraying in every direction because it's caked in mineral deposits, whatever you do, do not stand there scrubbing it. Put distilled white vinegar in a plastic bag, tie it directly over your shower head, and just walk away. Leave it overnight. The vinegar does all the hard, passive work while you sleep, and you just wipe the grime away in the morning.
And when it comes to cleaning the tub itself, you've got to see this brilliant alternative. Instead of inhaling the horrible toxic smell of chemical tub cleaners, take a grapefruit, cut it in half, and sprinkle salt generously on the fleshy side. Get your tub a little wet, sprinkle some salt in the tub, and scrub it using the grapefruit halves. When you rinse it away, you are left with a sparkling tub and an amazing, clean, citrusy freshness.
Finally, possibly the most annoying household task of the entire bunch, unclogging drains. Well, it just got a whole lot easier with this simple chemical reaction. Drop 4 Alka-Seltzer tablets down the blocked drain. Pour in 1 cup of distilled vinegar. You'll actually hear the fizzing as the reaction breaks up the clog. Wait 10 minutes and simply rinse the mixture out with boiling water. It is completely hassle-free.
And there it is, number 25. We have just rapidly synthesized exactly 25 incredibly clever, highly effective hacks utilizing things you almost certainly already own to clean your house from top to bottom.
I want to leave you with a thought as you head out to reclaim your home. With your pantry now doubling as a master cleaning kit, filled with vinegar, baking soda, and even a spare piece of bread, which expensive, toxic cleaning product are you going to throw out first? Thank you for exploring these brilliant solutions with me today on The Explainer. Get out there and try a few of these right now.